Hey everyone, it's me, Ms. Denny, your favorite children's librarian. Thanks for joining me. I'm here to tell you about everything happening at the Buckham Memorial Library in June. Storytime will start our summer session in June. We offer storytime in three different formats. On Tuesday nights, there's the 5-minute bedtime stories on the library's Facebook or YouTube page. That's a virtual video story with me reading a book, so you can enjoy it on Tuesdays at 7 or at any time you like. We have story time on Zoom on Wednesday mornings at 10 a.m. If you'd like to join me, just send me an email and I'll get you the link. And then we have story time here at the library in person on Thursdays at 10 a.m. So watch for story time, the summer session, to begin the first week of June. On Friday, June 5th, we're very excited to welcome Treasure Beyond Measure, which is a kids' comedy skit show featuring some silly pirates, and they will be here presented by A Touch of Magic Entertainment Friday, June 5th at 10 a.m. upstairs in the library's Great Hall. This show is free and open to all ages, but probably most well enjoyed by a preschool age crowd. Hope to see you for that. Our summer reading challenge for youth kicks off that Friday as well. June 5th is the first day that you can get your summer reading challenge log. So stop in the library and get a copy of the reading log or find it online starting June 5th. And then you have all summer long through August 29 to work on your reading challenge and get 4 books for free to keep forever just for completing the challenge. So stop in the library and get started. Our Teen Advisory Board, or TAB, will meet on Monday, June 1st. TAB is for youth in grades 6 through 12. If you are interested in joining, please contact me for the membership requirements and an application. Book Buds will meet on Thursdays in the summer from 4 to 5. Book Buds is our informal reading buddies program for youth in grades K through 5. We have members of our Teen Advisory Board available to volunteer to read to or with your student. It's a great way to work on that love of reading just for the fun of it, which is really important when you're becoming a stronger reader. Stitch a Bit meets on the first and third Fridays of the month at 10 a.m. There is no need to register for this program. All are welcome. Bring your own knit, crochet, or needlecraft project to work on and enjoy the company of others in the library's makerspace, 10 a.m. Friday, the first Friday and the third Friday of the month. The second Wednesday of each month, Bob leads a tabletop miniature painting event. So if you're interested and you are ages 12 to adult, you are welcome to register. You do need to register so that we can make sure we have enough supplies, and you don't have to bring anything, though you're welcome to if you wish, but we have everything you need to paint some minis. So if you want to join us, contact Bob, and that will be on the second Wednesday of the month from 5 to 7. Our Fun Fridays outdoors in Central Park begins on June 26th. That's the first Fun Friday. We're bringing back our favorite juggler, Tui. That all these events will take place outdoors in Central Park on Fridays, the first one being Tui on June 26th. And then we'll have a break for the 4th of July, and we'll be back with our favorite magician, Brodini, on July 10. Siama's Congo Roots will put on a full concert July 17. Dazzling Dave will dazzle us with his yo-yo skills and a workshop after the event on the 24th of July. The Jolly Pops will sing and dance and make us laugh on July 31st. And then we will end the summer with Will Sing Songs on Friday, August 7. So join us. Each of these events has an ASL interpreter confirmed. Hope to see you in Central Park for our Fun Fridays this summer. Bob leads a monthly 3D printing open house lab on the last Wednesday of each month in our makerspace, open to all ages and experience levels. This last Wednesday of June happens to be the 24th. So drop in anytime between 5:30 and 7 and learn all about 3D printing. Our resident ukularian, Alan McCulley, would like to invite you to join fun if you are an accomplished ukulele player. Or if you're not, you're welcome to make an appointment with her one-on-one for Uke Can Make Music, and you can get started on learning how to play the ukulele. So either way, contact Alan for all your ukulele needs. If you have a kiddo that hasn't started kindergarten yet, you'll want to sign them up for this great program, 1,000 Books Before Kindergarten. It is free and it works exactly like it sounds. We give you a folder, you keep track of all the books that you've read to your kiddo. Every time you read a book, you mark it down, even if it's the same book 50 times. I know they like that repetition, and it's so important. But when you're done, you bring it back to us, and you get this cool t-shirt paid for by the Friends of the Buckham Memorial Library that says, I read 1,000 books before kindergarten. Just for signing up, you get a coupon for a free book at Books on Central. Thanks, friends. And another coupon when you finish. So 2 free books and a shirt. It's a great deal. And most importantly, you're helping your kiddo get ready for school just by sharing some one-on-one reading time with them. We have state park passes here at the library available for checkout, free with your library card. They're good for 7 days, and they provide free access to every single state park in Minnesota. So stop in and see if we have one available. There are 4, but they're very popular, and they are not available to be reserved. So stop in and see if you get lucky and you can check out a state park pass. We also have adventure kits available at the library. These are first come, first serve as well. And it's a great way to highlight that our library is a lot more than just books. We have kits for all sorts of fun adventures, pickleball, button making, that's a popular one, origami, bird watching, disc golf, all sorts of fun things, and new ones are being added all the time. So stop in the library and check out an adventure kit. And then it's a great time of year to try out the library story walk. This is a fun way to read a book. You start and end here at the library. If you need a map, you can stop in and grab one, but there is a little kiosk on the corner of each spot on Central Avenue. Start at the library, head down, head back, and enjoy a book. It's a beautiful way to spend a summer day. And then so is the library's plaza. You could bring your lunch, you could read a book, you could play a game. We have chess and checker pieces available to borrow at the library circulation desk. It's a wonderful place to spend the summer. So stop in and check out the library's plaza. And if you have any questions about anything I've talked about here, please stop in. We'd love to see you. Come in anytime the library is open. Give us a call. Find us on social media. Check out the library's website. We'd love to see you or hear from you. Thanks, friends. Take good care, and I'll see you at the library. Bye-bye.